Good morning, my beautiful friends. How are you today? Welcome to Check-in Friday. Today's coffee cup, you know this is one of my favorites. Fierce Goddess, Humble Warrior, and today I am dressed the way my daughter would say, in bubblegum pink. She says that I wear too much color. I don't think there's such thing. I am about to train my client shortly, so that's why I'm dressed like this. But here's the thing. It's Check-in Friday. I wanted to take a minute with you this morning, well, 3 minutes to be exact, and see what actions you took this week in the areas of meals, movement, mindset, and your relationship with money. You ready? Let's go. Today, we're going to start with money. What areas did you save money this week? What areas were you more mindful when it came to spending and making decisions? And what areas, if you are in network marketing, did you bring in a new client to help you bring in more money outside of your day-to-day? Okay, there's your money questions. So your mindset, what areas did you work on this week? I know I did some professional development via masterminds, and I'm finishing for the second time listening to Be Your Future Self Now. That is a really good book, and I started book club on Monday, so I wanted to listen to this one twice. Then, of course, with my mindset, I journaled every single day, and I did my reflections, and of course, my mantras and my affirmations. So that leaves us with movement. I moved my body. Last weekend, we moved our oldest son into the house. So that meant lifting and moving and carrying heavy boxes up and down stairs, in and out of the U-Haul. So that counts. So that was Saturday. Sunday, I think we took a day off. Monday, went for a nice hike at Springwater Conservation Area. That was lovely. It was a test to my ankles, but it worked. And on the rest of the week, it was either walks or 2 full body fitness classes, which is what I'm about to do now, boot camp, personal training, heart pumping. Whew. All right, my friends, how about you? How did you take care of your mind, body, and soul this week? Love to hear from you. Don't forget, today is the very last day to sign up for the very last free Essentially You workshop that we're going to be doing. In the future, there will be a charge for all of these workshops. All right, my friends, make it a fantastic day. Cheers to you.